In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the ChatGPT model not found error. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, I understand how frustrating it can be when you're ready to dive into a conversation with ChatGPT and suddenly you encounter that pesky model not found error. But don't worry, this is a common hiccup, especially if you've recently upgraded to ChatGPT's Go Free 1-year plan. Fortunately, the good news is that this is an easy problem to fix, and throughout this video, I'm going to walk you through several methods that can help you get back on track. Let's dive into the first step. It might sound simple, but you should check your internet connection. An unstable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection can often trigger those annoying errors. So, take a moment to ensure your connection is stable. You might want to try switching to another network if one is available, or even refreshing your router. Sometimes, just a quick reset can make all the difference. Once you've made sure your internet is nice and strong, let's move on to the second step, clearing your browser cookies and cache. Old session data can sometimes get a little stuck, which might prevent ChatGPT from loading properly, so go ahead and navigate to your browser settings. From there, find the option to clear cookies and cache specifically for the website chat.open.ai.com. Make sure you're only clearing data for that specific site. After you've done that, reopen the website and log back in. Now, if you're still facing that model not found error, don't fret. We've got more strategies to try. Step 3 is simply to log out, and then log back in to your ChatGPT account. You'd be surprised how often this simple action can solve various issues. Just log out, close your browser tab completely, then reopen it and log back in. In many cases, this refresh can get rid of that annoying error almost instantly. Next up is step 4, where we'll look into browser extensions. Sometimes, tools like ad blockers, VPNs, or even script filters can inadvertently interfere with what you're trying to do in ChatGPT. If you've got any extensions enabled, consider disabling them one by one to see if that resolves the issue. Alternatively, a quick and effective test is to open ChatGPT in an incognito window. This mode generally prevents extensions from loading, which can help pinpoint if one of them is the source of the problem. Now, if you're using the ChatGPT mobile app, let's talk about step 5. Close the app completely and reopen it. Mobile apps can also experience hiccups, and restarting might just do the trick. If the problem persists even after restarting, consider uninstalling the app and reinstalling it. This often cleans up any underlying issues that might be causing trouble, and you can quickly get back to chatting in no time. So there you have it. Those are the steps you can take to troubleshoot and fix the ChatGPT model not found error. If you go through these methods and follow the instructions closely, you should find that ChatGPT starts working smoothly again. That's it for today's guide. I hope this video helped you resolve your issue. If it did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick ChatGPT troubleshooting tutorials and AI tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.